Good morning, my dear students. Class, one important topic, that is CSS from HTML chapter, was left. So, class, let's start this chapter. Class, cascading style sheet CSS is basically a tool that allows adding style to a web page. Till now, you are doing different type of formatting, different type of numbering, bullets, many things you were applying. Now, this CSS will allow you to do the same, but in a easy manner. And even if you want to implement a particular type of formatting to all the element, you can apply from this. So first of all, it has two part. One is the selector and another is the property. Class, first of all, the type of selector. There are three type of selector. Element selector, mostly used. There is one ID selector and there is one class selector. Firstly, we are going to study about this element selector. So for that, I have taken one example to make you understand. You can see that till here you know head, title, you know. Now you see this section. In this section, first of all, class and type is CSS, text or CSS. You have to write. After that, suppose in heading 1 you want to apply particular type of formatting like color equals to sienna, text alignment center. For heading 2 you want to apply red color, for all body background color as pink. Now class, see, then you have to close this style you have started here, you have closed this. So this is a separate block, this is a separate block till here to here, which is under the head. Under head there are two, one is the title that you know already, another thing that you are going to learn is the style. Now head is closed, now body started. In body there is h1, there is h2. Now this h1 will come in sienna color and it will be center aligned. And if we talk about the s2, it will be red color. And the background of body will be pink color. These three things has been applied, and you can see this heading 1 is coming center align. Color is not shown here as it is black and white, but it will be the same color, sienna color and these two will be of red color, and background color will be yellow when you will do in computer. So class, element selector, here we have written h1, h2, body. These are the element, and this method we call the element selector. When we write the tag names here, then it's a element selector method. So this was the introduction. Now we will proceed. So class, first of all, step to write a style sheet. Header of the HTML being written with the web page has a link to the style sheet. As I've shown you, between the head you have to write head, then style, and you have to close the style here only. And in between you will apply all the formatting that you want to apply. After that, it says next step, writing a set of rules. Set of rules, as we have written h1, then this curly brace, then we have given color sienna. So this is the way you have to write this colon in between. This colon in between, you can see that this colon. Then you have to give comma, then you have to give the next property, next property. So this is the way, and this we call a set of rules. Now talking about the selector, as there it has been taken h1 they have taken, h2 they have taken, and the body they have taken. So they have told tag is the selector and you have to write only p for it. We are not writing this in our program. We have to write h1, then curly brace, as they have written braces, property is written, and the property is separated by the colon, as we were writing there color, then colon in between, and a space also. Then you have to write the value of it. Color, as they have written sienna, I am writing red color. Now it is finished. More you have to write, you have to give by comma. Now this background color as red, for example. So here we have to learn certain things. As for giving a background color, we have to write completely background color. For text color, we have to write completely text space color, like this we have to write. As previously we used to write text only or font, but here we have to learn certain rules. Now advantage, there are the certain advantage. First thing is we can apply this to all the elements together. If many h1s are there, then we can apply. And next thing is there are certain more formatting that we can apply using this. So class, you read out this advantages. Then the disadvantages, like files and images and object, whatever you want to apply should be in the same directory. Means in different directory. Suppose D drive you have written, you have kept some picture, and this file, HTML file you are making in C drive, then it may cause a problem. So these are the disadvantage. Now this example I have already told you right now, this one example first. Now class, inline, another method is inline style sheet. One we have done embedded, next is inline. This we call a embedded one, in which we are writing style here. This we call a embedded. Now next is your inline style sheet. Inline style sheet is if you want to apply inside a body only, then no need to give inside the head, no style is required there. Here directly you can write style, and within double quote style you write, and within double quote you give all the properties as they have given, and it will be implement. It is same as previous HTML program, but more formatting is given here. You can see that h1 they have given red color and align center. Paragraph tag, p tag, they have given font size 18 points, and h2 they have given blue color and font size 24. So class, as accordingly it is coming. H1 is coming in center. This is, here we cannot see a color, actually it is a black and white given in your book, so I've taken the pics from there only. Next is different color property. Same thing class, h1 you want to give different color, h2 you want to give different color, hp you want to give different color, and list also. In ol and ul we have list, all the list element you want to give a different color, you can give from here. So as they have made the body part, hardware software, h2 they have given, paragraph they have given, then they have made the ul list here, then h2 again, then ol list. So all list wherever the li is written will be in same color, that is a red color. All h2 will be in blue color, all heading will be in red color, h1 heading, and all paragraph in green color. So it will be implemented and it will come like this. Next is background color, as I've told you in first example. Similarly, we can give a background color, background color, background color, and background color. This is not a background color of whole page. This is the background color of h1, h2 means highlighter it will come as. It will come as a highlighter. Yellow will be the background color, but rest will be the highlighter of it. So here you can see, and list they have given, and background color also they have given as white, means highlighter will be in white color. So h1, h2, h4, li, h3, all are there, and you can see that there is background of this heading 2, background of this also, background of this also, but background of this li is coming nothing because they have given white color only. They have given white color. So class, I want you to practice till here, and few more topics are left, then our CSS will be finished. That's all class.